ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ka sarkar jilla ka khanyo tarik ubnai kelaling kot arajar arpuar kala shimnya garai ban penkin ria no ya ka administrative building jong ka sarkar jilla New Shillong Township kata ha ka snong mau pedang mau khanu yakani la pentip do menteri ketanat ki kampo yeng ba lakmen rumbui habaya keren mat kilat pathai khubor hadin balawai ka jingelang jong ka kinhon menteri kat kum ka jingya tho jong ba lakmen ka sarkar jilla kala yo ya ka jaka ka ba he kum ba praspa hanyo pan hanyo akar New Shillong Township ban penyar ya ka sor bat ban weng ya ka jing hengkali ka ba jor hapo ka nong ba Shillong Shushu lo ongru ba suki ka sarkar kan sapenkan ria ya baro ki office trai kam jong ka sarkar syakani ka jaka Haga be day bat kani ya umaunong rim an sabu haga arpu waiterik ubnai kella lingkot arajar arpu ar.
The government has approved the shifting of the administrative building of government of Meghalaya to New Township, Shillong Township near Mau Pedang, Mau Khanu. As you are aware that the government is acquiring about 807.78 acre of land in this new township. So it is fit that taking into consideration the congestion in Shillong, taking into consideration the expanding of the new township, that the administrative building, a common office, will be shifted to that new site at Mau Pedang, Mau Khanu. The foundation stone for the same will be laid on the 21st of Jan 2022. See, this is not a short-term measure. This is a long-term measure because you have to see now. If you see Shillong, it become very congested. And we thought that, and since the government have developed the new Shillong, and moreover, it is acquiring about 800 acre of new land in the Mau Pedang, Mau Khanu area. It is fit for the government to have a planned city, a planned town, so that it will not only help ease the congestion here, moreover, it will develop the other periphery of the Shillong agglomeration as a whole. First, it will be in a phased manner because, as I said, this is a long-term plan of the government. We cannot do in 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. But once the plan is there, different department, different directorate, they have to plan accordingly. What is the need? Taking to the account the new age administration, the thing and that. So the nitty-gritty we will work out. But decision have been taken that ultimately the new Shillong will be at some point of time will be a permanent administrative building for the state of Meghalaya.